In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to QuickBooks Online invoice templates. Customizing your invoices can make a big difference in how you communicate with your clients and present your business. QuickBooks Online gives you the ability to tailor your invoice templates to fit your unique needs. And adding custom fields is a powerful way to include additional details that matter to your business. Whether it's adding a project name, a specific reference number, or any other personalized information, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a menu of settings and customization options. From the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Custom Form Styles. Once you find it, click on it. This is where all your invoice templates and other form styles are managed. Now, you'll see a list of your existing invoice templates. Take a moment to locate the specific template you'd like to customize. Once you've found the one you want to modify, you'll notice an Edit option next to it. Click on Edit to open the editing view for that template. Within the editing screen, you'll see several tabs at the top. Navigate to the tab labeled Content. This is where you can adjust the layout and details of your invoice. Next, you'll need to click on the specific section of the invoice where you'd like to add the custom field. For example, you can choose the header, the columns, or the footer section, depending on where you want this additional information to appear. Simply click on the section to highlight it and bring up the relevant options. Once you've selected the section you want to edit, scroll down to the bottom of the available options for that section. Here you'll see an option for Custom Field. Click on it to activate this feature. Now, it's time to input the information or label for your custom field. This could be anything that adds clarity or detail to your invoices, such as project name or job ID. Simply type the desired label into the provided field. When you're satisfied with the changes you've made, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save button and click on it to ensure your custom field is added to the invoice template. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom field to your QuickBooks Online invoice template. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.